Subaru WRX STi. Just recently hit 100,000 miles. This is mainly my daily. I do take it on road trips sometimes, so that's why it's a little high in the mileage. That's just my opinion on that one. But yeah, I'm just going to show you guys around if you're interested in looking. Just try to keep the interior as clean as I can. Check it. Back seat. I'd like to add that I bought this car 8 years ago, around 2014, and you know, I only did the usual maintenance, just oil changes at 4,000 miles, rotated my tires around 10,000 miles. I didn't really do much, and just normal maintenance, really. So I mainly keep it stock. No crazy mods on this car. Let's check out the engine. All stock here too. Everything's working fine, air conditioning and everything else. Yeah. I did do the timing belt and everything at like 88,000 miles. Pulled the spark plugs during that time too, and the spark plugs actually look pretty good. This car, I never really gone crazy like racing or going on a track or anything like that, because you know, if you play, you pay, and I didn't want to pay. I just want to see how long this car could last. But yeah, I'll try and make more videos on my car. Maybe try and do like a point of view of me driving around. But yeah, well, thank you for watching.